Hi everyone. So this is the second part of our lesson. Now, as you can see, this spreadsheet doesn't look like much at the moment. So I'm just gonna take a few minutes to change it a little bit and make it look a little bit better. Obviously, in the following week or two, we're gonna go and do quite a lot of formatting to spreadsheets. So all I'm gonna do now is just make it look a little bit better. I'm not going to follow any instructions, just going to follow my heart. Okay, first of all, we usually use the title style for a title. So I will just select A1, go to Cell Styles and click on Title. Then I will select A2, go to Cell Styles, and let's say I'm going to make that heading 1. Okay, now usually also what we do is we merge and center our headings across the whole, not the whole sheet, but all the data at least. So as you can see, mine goes up to N3. So this is where I will stop. Merge and center, and then the same here, merge and center. Okay. My headings or my column headings or my row headings, I'm just going to say, let me just say it's not a row heading. This is a row heading. So this is a column heading. I'm going to choose heading 3. Alright, and you will notice that some of my column headings are not displaying in whole. That doesn't matter because I'm still going to edit my amounts. And after I edit my amounts, it will probably be fine. We'll see how it goes. Okay, then going to the total and changing my total to the total row style like this. Okay, right, usually we take our first row and our total row. How do I select two ranges? I hold in control, so I select the first range, hold in control. Now I'm selecting the second one, and here you will see I'm just going to choose accounting style. And like I said, the minute you add the currency, you will see September is now displaying properly, and so are the others. Okay, just want to make it look even better, and that is why I'm going to say center all the column headings, otherwise it's going to look strange. Okay, now as you can see, dividends is showing nicely, but I'm just going to double click between A and B to make it display even better. And since I didn't change the middle row, I'm just going to add comma style over here and make it look a little bit better. What does comma style do? Okay, it separates the thousands from the hundreds, from the cents, and so on. Okay, another thing that you could have used is not conditional formatting, but formatting as a table. And you can see there are plenty of nice designs that you could have used. Also here, cell styles, but I'm just going to leave it like this. So how do you insert a chart? Now you can insert a chart many different ways, okay, but the one chart that they want us to insert in lesson 1, and if you follow along in the instructions, is a pie chart. Now a pie chart can only use two kinds, or not two kinds, but two sets of data. For example, this and let's say this. Alright, if you're going to use a column chart or a bar chart, then you will use this. We don't usually include a total in a column or a bar chart, but in a bar chart we actually only include a total. So let me first insert a pie chart. Okay, so I'm going to click on wages and dividends, click on control, and then select the total. So you will see I've now selected two ranges. Okay, these two. Then I'm going to say insert chart. I'm going to go for 3D pie chart. Okay, as you can see, it just placed your chart on top of your data. You don't want that. But I'm going to leave it like that until I have edited it a little bit. Also, sometimes it's not so bad because I can see my chart and I can see my data all at the same time. So we might leave it like that for now. Okay, as you can see, it comes with a chart title or a placeholder where you can insert the chart title. So let me delete the word chart title, and then I'm just going to call it income, because as you can see, this is a representation of my income. Okay, and then at the bottom you see your legend. Blue will be wages, orange will be dividends. And obviously if you had many more options, you would have had many more colors or many more slices in your pie, depending on your table. Okay, first of all, you will see here you can delete the chart title if you wish, like that, or you can take it back. I've now deleted my income. Okay, maybe I'm going to delete it. It's going to like make my chart look a little bit bigger. Alright, you can also delete your legend, but I'm not going to do that because it shows you what the colors represent. And then of course you can add data labels, which means you can actually show the amount it represents. Okay, so we leave it like that for now. Alright, we are going to use all these buttons many more times in the next few weeks. So for now, this will be good enough. Alright, just something else. You can change your colors as well. I'm saying that is a little bit dull. Okay, so you can go ahead and you can change it. Okay, you can also change your colors to colorful. Okay, not really a huge improvement. Okay, and if you don't like those colors, you can obviously change your colors just by clicking on the slice that you wish to change and then clicking on the color. Oh, I selected my whole pie. So let me just do another one. I'm just gonna, for example, if you click on your slice, make sure you don't select the whole one. I guess you can't really see because there's only 3 points. So let's do an experiment. Okay, yeah, now it's working. Okay, I think this yellow is still looking a little bit too dull. Let's make it red. Okay. If you click on your label, you can also change it to be bold. You can also make it bigger. Yeah, you can basically do anything with it. You can even change the color if you wish. Black, white. I think white will display a little bit better. Alright, so that is how you insert a pie chart, a 3D pie chart, and how you format it a little bit. So how would you insert a column chart or a bar chart? Well, by selecting, basically, usually this cell, not usually, but sometimes this cell is just a blank cell. And why do we need to select the cell? It's because it is the switch between X and Y axis. So always select this extra cell, okay, even if it's blank. In our case it's not blank, but even if it were blank, select it. Alright, and then we have all of that. Then we say insert. I'm just going to go for a normal 3D column, and here you will see a very simple column chart. Alright, once again you have your legend, okay, which shows you what is what. And then here you have a representation of your income. Okay, so that is that. Now let me just quickly show you how to how to make this fit on one page. If you were to print it, you will just go to page layout. Okay, first of all, I'm going to make this a landscape orientation, and you will notice the dotted line over here, which will show you where it's going to cut off, which is this part here. So then I'm going to go to margins, custom margins, and I will be fitting it to one page. Okay, now you will see the dotted line disappear, and if I say print, everything will print very nicely on one page. Alright, thanks for watching.